Hello everyone. Once again I am here with some assertion reason questions. First of all, let's see the direction. In the following questions, a statement of assertion is followed by a statement of reason. Mark the correct choices. Option A say both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B says both assertion and reason are true, but reason A is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C says assertion is true, but reason is false. And option D says assertion is false, but reason is true. So the important thing is here that the concept should be clear. If you know that the given statement, the statement and the reason of the statement, if you know, then easily you can attempt these questions. So let's do some questions. Question 1. A cell swells up when present in hypotonic solution. Okay. Reason: more water molecule enter the cell than they have. So hypotonic solution means less solute and more water. So definitely the water molecules will move towards the cell. So answer is here, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. If a cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, hypotonic means lower concentration of solute and higher concentration of water as compared to the concentration of cell sap, that is the solution inside the cell. The water molecules move from external solution into the cell sap and thus the cell swells up. Question 2. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Okay, just true. Reason: plasma membrane allows some molecules to pass through it more easily than others. Okay, the reason is also correct. So correct answer is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So let's see the explanation. Each cell is bound by extremely delicate, thin, elastic, selectively permeable living membrane called plasma membrane. It is selectively permeable as it allows some molecule to pass through more easily than others. Okay, I hope you know very well that plasma membrane is called selectively permeable membrane, and the reason is that it select the molecules, like which molecule will enter in the cell. It is decided by plasma membrane. Next question. Cell wall is a non-living, assertion is here, cell wall is a non-living part of the cell. Reason: it offers protection, definite shape and support. Assertion is also true. Reason is also correct. So now let's see. The answer is both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Let's see about the cell wall. As you know, cell wall is a non-living part of the cell. It is an outer, rigid, protective, supportive and semi-transparent covering of plant cell only. The cell wall lies outside the plasma membrane. The cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose. It provides a definite shape of the cell. It protects plasma membrane and internal structure from the attack of pathogens and mechanical injury.